Babedino emotion and as I say are you part of this and come on. Yes, and be cut street na Yamajana Kwaba na fi yeden komatwetwe na hyeso. Opani mi ma akwaba.
Yeah, Rapani me Joseph.
Na empobu to say
Onyankopon adaroma or the nature ahoden o.
Great. Yeden nyame ase. Say na me ka no earlier no. Before you beto aba na yehia di nkomo akra.
Yeah.
Na obibi nema bebre ni so. E kire ye na etiefo nyina. Na yakoto abawie. Obrana na egusu ayekọ ye nimu yi. Na nyame ncha de. Watimi de area 2021 mu. De di kan ma me misa sa question we. The other day o man ye clear to all of us say onye sofo. Ena onso a onye dunzini. Ena onso a onye papa kramo. Ba wo de a ne say wo de wo ho. Ya che say utimi hwehwe enema mu se de keka enema bomu ana wo hu ba bi ade kwa kosi. Na me pese me bisa question we. People like you anyame amamo sa adom akyede we motimi anya husuahunu ahodo ne ade atimi ehwe enema aye predictions ne ade ma sa ne mantimi baba mu ne aya se empanifo bi no mo ayede o mo atuatua oman ano say ye president Chris in chair kra na ada figures bi no mo a omo ye heads of institutions ne ade. Sometimes in their decision making, I almost contacted some of you people. Say ebia, and you be a kwamu da ho. Ade we say and I say, do they seek permission from one more? And yes, a permission, no permission ain't yet the right way. Like to seek consult. Yes, if you one more na.
Your panye me da say, my man Mao afinshapa.
Afin comment we.
Afin so we tie phone nyina so ye ma obi bia afinshapa. I have my group and my DNA Transformations 108 Foundation for some member nyina afinshapa. Yeah, no kremuno. Yeah, we few friends in both the political system in Ghana no.
Yeah.
Of course, krebi ho me nam for. Some of them nyo nyina. Some betu na mo bia. Eya na omubisa. Say bia o Jana me pese me bibi say what do you think about it?
Yeah.
Enyo nyina. And I know so bibia na oye very serious leader no. Say nipa no anya hwe no owo doctor ohwe no.
Okay.
Dodo na so wo mo lawyer fo aso munya enya legal issues bi omo na ye den guide omo. So I will assume say yes. Omo won krofo a e bi omo ye high advisors bibi ni a ometimi approach omo for advice. And anya just ordinary onamu enkomodie nko say looking into the future all that no definitely no. Omo be won krofo a bibini a omo tu na monko omo nchen so say me kan no I have few both from the MPP and NDC side that me no omo ye na for them they knows what I'm capable of ti bibini a omo bisa Jana we yes afia say many of them calling Jana what is happening is there anything obeti that boy be guide me for the whole year. So yes, there are some people like that or more position of society and I am almost guidelines no.
Okay, now yenhwe Yakwako said now, according to the order of Yakwako said that is the norm. Once a year comes to an end, that is where you see men of God. Omo title near prophets. Na a honomono and komshe ahodoba. And the other day I was having a conversation with AS of Kumchacha and Bizan said, why is it that the whole year ni now year round nyame ene ne makasa na nyame adifo enti nyame ni omu ni nkomo a just omo atwen a this 31st night ne pan sana sadi etimi abaso aya sometimes so wonso ho na utie sa end of year prophecies ni bi na eba before yewura the new year num na what bi ni na some I francophone bi hu we be say da aya na wo de toto won so de ho a wo feel say
yeah me brapanye me da say em say the amana koko hia say afe no e ba be kwa wie a amonfo a so called omo hu sunsum nsem o mpese omo de nsem betu gya kwa yesi say o ye ba be hye afe fufura say even cross obi kwa ho no ye adwuma bi a adwuma bi o ye no afeno ba be sha se obi be FN say resolution for the year.
Yeah.
Obi kra o ha our plans be about na worry sem e bi kwa ni suku sem. Amanfo make plans from the beginning of the year. And no na ama I say amanfo bi so I say omo say omo yesumsum djuma no.
Yeah.
Obakonza ko hiya say this time people are making arrangement towards what is going to what they are expecting.
Yeah.
Within the year, and you know, this is the best time for us to tell them what they should be expecting. So I think, say, yes, it goes along with amount for intention. So you be see from then say and I'm so-called prophets and so yeah the omo. But unfortunately, me say me transfer me tie nsem ni bia. Ebi o ha na e masumu chen. You know, the India ban say I've been saying this all the time, and prophet be organ ha bia na oti de me kan ye no kweka for no obehun say de me kan no ya de e no kre and say there were so many ways you dim informations, you know. They say your oncrophobia o ha omoda ye kapa o say onyinya me nko nkwa sorry,
okay,
but onya so da ye bia e fa ho a ebam so they are expert in dreams. Okay, your oncrophobia o ha omo intuition e kapa onya dwen obi ho kura pa bo nipa na frɛ ebi obi ho asɛm kwa ba ne tima pɛ no nipa na hia bibi be see a omunya start sense of a answer na bibi say si onyanya mini onyosofo any gift or one no ana nkofo bi wo ha bibi be see a etimu flash o man said they want who video na bibi onkwa sorry onyosofo so they make say there are so many ways knowing things a bit me asi. Okay, me problem ne say osofo a prophet now sing Yankopon aka kire me ayana me pese me tia say ade said you am na wo kasai ena Yankopon eka kire omo ana ayesen you know, because I am a psychologist now me say yes metaphysical things no. Yeah. I know say about 99% of them no enye Yankopon na aka kire omo
mamis figure ni biom
me say even more than 99% no
of the prophets no the omo kachre no it's not coming from God directly.
Say tire me no okay say ya me no kasai. Yeah, say obi ka say yeah, just now when I can say many jana because you can see me and you know say this jana
and I can hear from you.
You can hear from me. This is no because and when I can say jana because I'm here. Yeah, but you see you know ebi a make me shedan yachi unhu manim unnim me voice and ebi a o kan ma yi wa no na obi ka say ja when I can say ya so I no kweka pa na because in fact nipa no or can some the by me nim nipa no. Yeah. When you bomb me din, means that you know me and you can see me or whatever it is. You know, the Americans say, Yankopon, the Almighty God who created the whole world, which I believe in him. See, his personality is so great to say.
You can't even see, look at him in the face.
Very difficult, almost impossible communicating with God. Now we are Sabrabona, you say, Omu Binamuno, almost lead those life. The Attorney said, those who are able to communicate with God, no, and you've been a bekanchos and crofo in Yankopon Kasa, their life will depict the true nature of God Himself.
You are so for you, you
know, possible say, fine, there's nothing like impossibility, but it is very extremely difficult for God to speak to anybody. Or some trying who we are, the person can live any normal life to say any other human being.
No, only call India.
Only call India. So the American say, share, so what's Sunday as also for. Now what study much as I would die can. Now you do 2020, 2021, now what die when you for the year no over the cat. Now guys, a me also for sumacy. Remember die camper. So this year, when the master who die me as but ABC, me don't me no any problem there. When you also for ABA, intuition very high. Yeah. So you can sense things far away before they happen.
Sense say BBC bit me.
Deep down your heart to know what study you home. What analyze it to win say me anytime I sense something like this and BBC say yeah. And you are telling us say we intuition today and say when you best expect here. I don't have any problem with you. Okay. Many of them omu use ghost and the year juma. These so-called pastors.
Ghost.
Many of them. Don't want to cemetery rituals. Don't know use some for. Wow. A bit of use motia. And a bit of use angels, both good ones and bad ones. The old Bible you may also for some mercy. Many angels na yejuma. Na angel na chairman said 2020. When a bit me see, I don't have any problem with you. But when you can say Onyankopon aka kyerɛ me the way ɔmo ka no ɛna Nyankopon fa me kɔ ha ɛna Nyankopon bisa me sɛ masa ne nyinaa no ɛno for me I know it is not true and
now,
they know
one warring adikakra wo hono say baby a Nyankopon fa ne de ko siye na obi na ni mo hu saa de no so for ba no so Nyankopon ni ko si wa mo no so bie na ni but ono ehu ni differently the same God no is he communicating differently to
say
his people or what
my senior brother media me can say on wo kasa say ya obi bia na bia enkoma ne yie no the person might sit down insi say nka bia nko say my mentwe ne papa kan say me hu yie no bonzo ba so na odidi but
yeah
try yen nyina yie
and there where are you saying any attack when the members
we all human beings ya kosuku kakra ya dwen no da saa nti obi ka kire me say Nyankopon afa no odena ko gina baabi odene ko ha see if God want to speak with you obetra ha ya wotie nyame bebie wani you be in Ghana in this room and you can see things in the US God doesn't need to carry you to the US to go and see what is happening there
yeah
what I say na Nyankopon fa me no de me ko ha and obi away and obi sa me question ni nyina no ye nsem bia me I find it very difficult to believe in. You know why? Say CIA 2020 with this election.
Yeah.
I told you that I was not going to mention name here.
Yeah.
And I told you said this is what is going to happen.
Yeah.
I don't lie. Menya prophet, menya pastor. Name we use the numbers based on the constellation of the stars. Now I am media for me blame kakra. You know why? See 2020 almost at 31st night.
Yeah.
Almost can some about 2021. Sankrofo ya can some be 2020. Today in Tina Yanko could be so almost say also pro who can say ABC what 2020. Ebrana what 2019 and I told another 2020. Who can say anything?
Yes, our man is
the way now was a become we know a better yet in ready. So it has another Periso almost now. They will minimize the way
down on Saturday.
But the fact is, Obabeka 2021, Umisana about 2020, and then he had the freedom, the liberty to say anything. On the 13th of January 2020, multimedia here, our Adum TV, Nana Yabrefu interview me. So he asked me again, I know say we are numerologists and something through this. Then I was expected this year. So I tell me I make a baby about spiritual. I tell people I'm not a pastor, I'm not a prophet. Men kase nyame na enemy aka na emum nyame bo ni wiase ni wiye no. Or the stars no assisi positions bi. Bribia emuvu ekwa animu ekwa kire esheki eyeden ni nyina wo de ekire. Te say de ye wo ye nkura ase no. O papa on more watch. But obi say that abo say o hwewem si ya pa o say abo to update. Am pa be secretary na abo because they omu nim di omusi. Omo ye weather forecasting.
Omo timi hwe ba bia wi na akoto na no o za
tell you the time even bia bi kura si ba bia ni nwunu na du. He said do no. O timi cheta abo say am pa na time no.
Yeah.
Omo ye weather forecasters yi. Omo sumo ma fide ko nwie ma. Pictures e de be ba no e be kire wo say ensuo betimi ato area ha. Na etokra na e be thunderstorm and e bi kura e be drizzling because the position of whatever they see there no will tell you.
Yeah.
So for us we depend on the positioning of the stars. You depend on the numbers are your womb. Now you tell me say because of the numbers we So on that 13th of January, I said say man can be about COVID-19 because I didn't see anything of the sort.
Yeah.
But I remember very well. I said say the whole world economy was going to crash down. And when I read the comments, some people were insulting me. I remember say the star says say Turkey. Now earthquake besi ho na is a 5.7 BB during I think March or maybe a few months exactly within that period it happened. The prediction said about California they were going to have earthquake and they get to September no the whole place was going to get flooded. It happened. Now almost said the UK was going to fall. A great kingdom was going to fall. So see what happened to UK? And not only that, they will say the UK was going to have a new king. So the point was, but said they're going to have a new king before 2020. The Mameno will be in the So, and not because I am a prophet, but no man actually say when be say. For us, no, the yakano, ye nipa, Even though you see the stars or more calculation, no, ubet me a mistake a crap because we are humans.
Yeah.
But when you can say Yankopon, I can't know why. Yaminim name chinim dapim on your mistake. The idea was in Yamenaka. Samamua, you are actually encouraging people to disbelieve in God. The Abanasa now, yeah, so for now, make a prophet in a year, market in Sempi about what was going to happen in 2020 Amamuno. And Crophobia Omuni Yamasunino. Most of Mukutupa and pass or Makasan Yamasum, Vasobi and so. Because when I would be any mamma sing Yanko Ponomacasa and Muni and Muno, and some Macasan Yanko Ponso Beno. Ambum, so it means says I Yanko Pon Udintro. Now, by the second higher one, Sasso for basic 8. A move for say, Mahamba Bewene, a move for say, and I do Bewene, no Munas Yanko Pon a catch them. But we are no dear Siano. So Yame Ben a catch away. Yami Ben catch you, yeah. A banner sana, now you see Yanko Pon to check. So this what I'm saying, say, we are so for now we dream car, we intuition car, we used to angels be, we used to dwarfs be now, but
tell them the source.
Tell the people said this is the source of my information. The man, na yeni Yankopon any qualms. How can say Yankopon na you begin to discredit God. This is my problem. And yes, I mean, there were so many soothsayers, there were witch doctors, there were so many sources.
Yeah.
So why don't we tell people the source of our information? But actually, I mean, rather, Yankopon be saying, I mean, I can't tell me. I mean, most of will be a man in the core India. Nah, sorry, some issues to be with them. So I was going there every year, me me prayers and other things. So, men in the choir, until you say, maybe a vegetarian, I've been vegetarian for many years. So, your choir, no, now it's very difficult getting food for him to eat because, baby, any choir, and I said, Omonia Namwadi, Eho. Bastona, Chinchin, and a Kukunya hotel, baby. Nam so mon paper, Omo, Odo, Mediane. Now I will join them later. No, me as of Komako, 5 Namino Mokoy. Me choir, no, Ostofukasia, or Woodin. Me can answer how you be shocked. Me quiet now on myself, no whiskey. So many people not say, oh, I'm a chairman, not a chairman. Media say me didn't man your whiskey say that mean to me, sir. And I am telling you so for Cassia, a month for dinner, you know. Bribianum, a hotel, Marco did no crowd whiskey or no whiskey and tell what it did. So Makumamuno, I mean, what he was looking for is Obenya power to do healing those things. And there are divine ways of getting this, not disturbing God. Many avenues are. So I got whatever he was looking for him. And now sorry, me catch you be shocked. But not on whiskey.
Oh, Kromwa.
I am telling you this. So we know Obegina Bontino sing Yanko Ponakasa. I am tro. Okase bia omiko India na bia mami angel bia or your divine angel on your bonnet. And I watch them idea when you're doing a mayor, I don't have any problem. But I was saying, Uncle Pony Wakasa, no, you are calling whiskey. It is not possible. Let it be by me, ho. Or send out the two of phobia. The one day be on us of no one pum. Ah, Muguso, Moyo Beman, I mean, Meman or one on your call. Ah, now will be complaining, say, or situation beam. Or so for no bomb, man or phones or no doubt banners. The lady told me, Yamin the minitro and will be in must be both in
whilst having the woman.
While having the woman and Yana Yerio or Bompire Mani Pano of phone so. Yes,
I mean, in a situation like this, such prayers do don't even work at all.
So you tell me, say, Yamiti Empire, but no truth about it. But what's off for at this moment? Ebia you use some dwarf. Okay, somehow. And in that mood, no. You know, it is very difficult for you to be able to even approach God. After sex, it's even recommended, say, you must go and purify yourself and all that. And inside the baby, I'm some dwarf who body so they don't give a damn about whatever he does. The hands of Obomudi. So tell me, say, yes, many spirit be here, Juma. Anytime they can help me. You don't tell me, say, Yankopon and no Kasai, because you are actually on a woman who is not your wife.
Wow.
So they make ABC and say, me are not often paying for. I mean, there are people that I can even be their servant and serve them because me, I don't have any position. But I feel, say, they should begin to tell their followers, say, quite way, and no information free. Because of them, you know, Christianity is becoming very, very unattractive. See, I'm telling you, so be piana, or yet Christian pana kumamu, or see awesome Christosomono. So already we know you now, and I feel very bad.
Definitely.
Christianity is becoming, since I say, Obibiana or Pastor or Catholic Christosomono, easy to bring so many following.
Yeah.
Because, and Crofono Mudik is so many, they are messing up everything. See, Ahamio, see, because you know, I know, say, Nyame, ekura tumi na nyame tumi ekura no bibie ne ho ntimi mfanye but o mani pa kwan se nipa mfa ne pa anya de ope so you and I are point to say the domanim no be very careful fair and small be kan ha about 2021 enye nyankopon na yi bibia kire me even though me die very sharp
ye be ba the other day na me pese ka ye borem ne ye hwe how yours work mo amutimi use numbers ne stars mo ne ade dey but make us ye be ko anu mu a answer be chire me be tia because it's not easy understanding e be do na bre no ko yes enti ye be bo wurem ne ahwe this year ye nyame de adom ye say na ebesi akwa afa ne ade but a quick one on sir prophets for you issues near the I heard earlier say ebinum wo hono a based on the source of power kwa use the year whatever it is that omo ye no say omo make prophecies be about you omo timi san wo kwan bi obetimi afa so ayama san commission a wa shafa wo ho say bia ubewu ana wadwuma we be say ana wade be say na wa hye san komo na fa wo particular person no or will be a spiritual obetimi aye to make that thing e bi so na enye genuine ade anyame na eyi ache no but o tumi bi otimi de yema sa ade no eba mu ana enya wo
brother me the pastor will be sa asem we see me kan churu bi bia na esoko osofo ebe hye won kom say see de me kan pay yi it's not because me no I even have time say people should even come and see me I'm too busy say me no o hwe me kwa unyame but tia futu we yi hwe obi bia na onim sumsum sem no ye wo eche bi wo ho e black ye fe no jargon obi bia na ono ye sumsum djuma the person will understand these terms
okay
say ye hye wo bo a ana o ka asem bi to so a they will send that heart ebedi wachi kopim say de o mo kan no ebebom they man say bi o kan say bridge we ebebu this time na opasa amanfo hu say the okai omua he will send that heart there the bridge will get broken say the be ya because the okai na be na meaning say Ghana hay omo that realm osofo baako pen na meaning of that realm
sir
Nigeria so I know about two osofo omo the same heart
I had the why no sir
no you know I can't mention them like that and many of them you know there's this sword I find the sword of authority osofo bia na be hu so okura the sword of authority no you should be afraid of him
na be dey hu
no ota hu I mean when you be ota call ma sorry a omo ntan nyimpie only once in a blue moon on be hu so ombe kura omo sword of authority na da omo so omo kura sword of authority bia no ombe kura cow horn na ntwi abeben many a times omo ye ordination a
omo de oil ta gum
omo de oil no gum no onye de gu so na one hwan obetu ahefam sega so for no so oka asemfa ho a enye se bia nyame na aka se bibi se ba be si ono na person create bibi no be create anything no but many of them no kasa hunu no moka ono anka se enkura power bia e na obi anyi bibi ankire no do de na adwe na aka na keke no sa no ka wa mia bibi anyawo but these few asofo amedin to more that rank no o kan bibi di fa ho enye se nyankopon na se e ba be si ono no oba be create sa ade na ma do question ne se waka bibi is there any possibilities on one baby bibi amanasia na yes but nya asofo bia na was to me no only few of them have the power to say something and create it even though it is not there omo nche that end also but ebi organ hasa especially those who have the sword of authority omo use aka 100 ordination no they have the power to create situations when even though it's not there
wow this is serious anyways bebo 2021 na ya share what this year holds for us but ansana no matete says some of the years ni bi ho a aye nneema etimi sisi wo sa afini mu no the following year no etimi toatoa so ne ade a but ade ba ko ebe ha o manfo adwen ne say coronavirus yentimi afa anya 2020 na ye de besa be rura 2021 mu ne 2021 ya ne ye rura mu ade eguso a eguso e battle anya bia no are we going to see this thing die off so quick and now say this year you know sa de ne be say de akini asa twafia
yeah in fact I'm say make say 2020 13 January mene multimedia ye badwom for your interview no that time no na asofo bibia keka so yare no kra na nyeden enche acha June because June so be turn na nyina ko.
Yeah.
I remember very well say na prediction say COVID-19 be ko for it is 23rd of September. So I go back and check say time ben na other countries as your borders are not plane 82. It was around September. Yeah. But that forecast and say even though I be from within that period, you know, but getting to the end of the year, I be see pagani muswa 2021 year January up to March, things will be more difficult. April be okay.
African I tro man one next year. Yes, na intino echi mo abo echi ayo.
January up to March, and people should be careful because the except of 2020 is still in operation. Then they do April be okay, like financial numbers ni yare kwa bo se be ko fa kra. Enya wura mu pa. E be se apagya no ho. So by the
the end besa yare na
yare nko with
hardship na
all that no this year operation say e come beba kese come beba no e be kwa ntiri
na amanfo nso so aye this year the my year of one my year of one bebe na bebe na yo stickers de dada o
because
my year of one improvement my year of double there bebe na mkro
bebe dey make an say January to March, no be more difficult. Country bit say EU no ne UK no, my economy no e be ya poto. America economy e be ko from kura no say ade bia na e be ko ti America no affect we as
yeah.
So the US, UK, EU kwada on be suffer more up to March. Then when you remu April, no has especially UK, they will bounce back compared to say America. You want the UK be bounce back pa. You be rame mua. You be saying your issue kakra ho. Then June be July a little bit difficulty. Then you call September so the whole year 2021 no. Even though any bad to say 2020 no, but there is nothing much difference here. Won't be I say. Because you're free. Oh, my memory example be. Sabi I will ride a boat. I will pursue.
Yeah.
Na storm back. Now was a free steering. Na I say gigi. Now woman now was also steering back. Storm no hold here.
It's stabilized.
But I'm saying question you be able to you know right through.
Yeah.
They had to say 2020 no steering free and some because now and number 4. Don't forget 2020 20% the more 40. 4 Ginahoma foundation, Ginahoma ambition, persistency. By 0, Ginahoma I say permanent sleep and that's eternal rest, which represent death.
I say I stagnant be no.
Yes. So 40 now and Ginahoma and your foundation no. The 0 is shaking the foundation of human society. And that time when I said what you bought to na preocupa na won sa akoso steer no.
Ene na ti 1 year by 1 in a year no fi
one no about 20 next no. Don't forget say number 2 actually represented destruction. Represented obstacles and turbulence. But so can you know the bomb 2021 about number 5. Number 5 again how much change. Again how much freedom.
Okay.
So this year people will be expecting to be free. But because of this, all old systems will come or will be crumbled. A new system of doing things, will try to replace old things. My baby say, or maybe or more president and I'm they are chair for a long time on this year, the uprising, you mark my words. Because number 5, the uprising, the violence and natural disaster in this year, also because there's some planets be your friend Saturn. Saturn will enter into Sagittarius, and anytime we will see health issue and economic issues will be very difficult. So there are so many problems. I bear to say a lot of difficult because the new system will try to overthrow old system. Ebana sana the sa uprising no ne sa no na tembe tutu abangu and edeba because it's number 5 and people will be expecting freedom, not only freedom but freedom for change. So we no be a lot of issues aba. That's number 5. But because of one one no Ginahoma leadership, Ginahoma ambition, all that. But the negative side of one selfishness, arrogance, pride. So when people are trying to receive change and freedom, no more pride and arrogance more, and the kills never. So 2021 and you're bad as 2020. But people should not start thinking so like we are free BBMO, There will be series of difficult, like the way our predictions and they cannot. All these things will be happening. And you know one thing, in this year, check forecast now, the possibility of third world war starting no is very, very high.
Third world.
You know why? Because I'm saying a great leader might be assassinated in 2021.
A great leader.
A great leader like
from which continent?
In fact, what check here or say world where we can be I'm not feeling say be a country and one can and a best starting from allies. Like country anyway allies. So that's where the third war will start, because there will be an assassination of a great leader, and that will start be a best said the third world war. And I was a middle there be more issues war, but the forecast and say this year the Israelis they will try to attack a facility of Iran's, and that is going to start a very huge war. I've been see about the Middle East order.
Hey,
Mr. Maker, I know that online, so people can refer me to it. They are making I can't tell me. And yet, I am basing my information on the constellation of the stars. And this is not the first time we talk about this, and I hear about 97% of what we see happens. I will be the other one follow me and knows this.
But Jana, such things, is there a way? Though nipa there supernatural, but can't there be any ways be able to me to curtail it and I be bring it to the barest minimum and I be bizarre?
See, the attorney said, Nankopon aboni wias or the Mrana abo wias. So, Obintim can't say about Bompire say Memensu to da for the whole year. Yes, if you have a Bompire and so on to a minimize about any and so better. Yeah. So what it means is God Almighty. God Almighty. Otiem Bible. But on one muna was said and mother say we basi. So for instance, Abia was term say Abia this year. My main people before be abontin say nipa ni benya car accident. Okay. According to the person's forecast within the year. Na nipa nehu. So who say ya na obom paye na oye bibi fa na atonement. Accident ni ebesi. Baby, ordinarily can be trying to naya. Be away then in some more bunia shiny POP. But the accident cannot be eradicated. Yes. No, I mean 2020 there are a lot of people are members, you know. I have me what I'm very forecast for the year. We are fear so instead of more family. I'm starting tomorrow for all my members. Okay. From January to December, what you should be expecting. The whole year in a summary. And you know about your career, what you should be expecting in your career. What you should be expecting when it comes to your health, your relationship, and then month by month, January to December, what you should be expecting. I do free for my members, and tomorrow I'm starting. I'm going to do for them. And just 3 days ago, that many US group, they are more than 1,000 near Zoom. So they were telling me about some of the things that now were more focused. It came exactly. There's one lady in the choir and it baffled me, even though I did that. I say, now we're showing a land to be for about 18 years. And I be free so. But now we must say around September, the land be a washeno. She never thought of it. And I say within that time, she had a call from Kofa Busiana or Magiland, no. Say, or my himself, modern land and money back, or a big crack. The woman was shocked. Wow. So it's like, how is it possible for you to even know this? And you mean the stars and like I say, when we could see when they see. So within this period, you know, you should be expecting this. You cannot say and I make a money intermediate if you know. When the star says you will be experiencing this, please you pay attention to it. So 2021, there's one good thing in 2021. According to the forecast, you know, this year, and I discover medication a bit to me a cure cancer. It is in the forecast because of the aspersion of cancer and other planets, you know. This year, cancer drew a bit to me about cancer.
2021.
2021. That's what the forecast is. Medication, medication cure for cancer in 2021. That's what the forecast is. Wow. So there's a very, very good news for the year. And you know, I'm for baby cancer. I say there will be medication a bit to me about be cancer and a bit to me a cure in 2021. That's what the star says.
Okay, but now you show we the far cancer ne cure now coronavirus now now there's vaccine yeah. but part of the world no
yeah.
But elsewhere I started man for binom but there are concerns binom as a yesru one here radio kwa anye bia no wohwe wiemu a is it safe say some vaccination nipa be edin ho be shim
me bra pa nyede tell say with this vaccine abay if it is within me my ability say vaccine I won't take a me I will never take it but the omba be yen say e ba be bibi to say obi opese to kwan here yellow card o yellow card and say o ma vaccine o take vaccination before no bi
yeah so
covid no ebeka ho so opese wo tu kwan na say won't take the vaccine of covid na won't mean tu kwan because yellow card no must be stated there te idea upe everybody will be forced to do unless they be also tu kwan then even though me I have my own concerns as a would me say Jana one can take a decision I would say me this vaccine up to date I mean too quite all this while because I'm a quite better test and I don't want it you know
anyway me decision I'm take and I was wrong
but a bedroom baby we are sending people to understand
bedroom we are now
the power that be they control the world you know people should understand this. Some of will be your baby bomb pen and but they are not controlling the world. There are powers that be. They say we will be a watch series like movies are made in season 1, 2 like that.
Yeah.
Series be lesbians, gay for. You know why? The people who rule the world want people to begin to accept this.
Yeah.
The movie Bianca and here quite the gays in Gomos and Abishim. Yes, because they are trying to program our minds there. Lesbianism,
it's
homosexuality, no, this is a normal thing that everybody must have. The whole year movie. Now part in one first they will make sure say they will crumple you down. So you go and see all this power, I mean famous
series here baby.
Go and watch it and see baby kiss or baby that because this is the policy. And they control the world. So the vaccine, whether you like it or not, it will get to a point and say unless you'll be forced to take it. So media men come in unless they want to buy play now they
vaccine ankasano ayana say corona die krana na baby near the ones anankofu suru ankasa in the first place but this one in particular ankasa na no I say right from the beginning no ne hu sense no ama yes on way pa
and the thing say I'm telling you sir the old way of doing things you know is actually going to change in 2021. There are many things among for experience any adwimu ni nyina no beba 2021. So vast no ya no me life Facebook like I'm what is my personally I'm not going to say so much about it because the world is not controlled by me.
Yeah.
There are people that control this world. And in the beginning you might say it but one enrujum tell make us say me what the choice to choose that I would say I'm not going to do it. But bana go do baby say obi bia na obi tukwan is a part of yellow card.
Yeah.
And I travel all the time so I'll be forced to do it.
Yeah.
Until that time na me obi na me ya na my to safeguard myself. Because o mpe obaye.
Be to safeguard yourself, no na. Indeed, say, "Edu on my any yeah.
Follow COVID channel. Uber who said there are some figures somewhere. They are doing so many manipulation when it comes to this COVID day. And painful beyond the real world. I mean, we are saying yeah, president for but I'm telling you, sir, they are not the people who are managing. The real there are people outside of Ghana or managing Ghana no mama. It's going on everywhere because the powers that be they control the manipulation of the world. So Omaka say when you obey Omaka be no Omaka be say even they want to depopulate the world.
Yeah.
They will do it if they want to do it. They will find ways and means of doing it. Until no buy no back was find quantum or back will womb require function properly. Young guys say but can be so they will do all these things. So we just have to hope say the world ahead, you know, and no man a minimize because a can tempt them.
Okay.
That one nobody's going to stop it because it's part of the predictions. Some of these things will be coming. Now more individually, we have ways and means of safeguarding ourselves through whatever way I need. Say by the best do that, but the world is not going back anymore. And no more worse and worse compared to what happened. See, no matter this year trauma now man for complain no as we going on no bones and no be more difficult unless if you own compared now with the previous as I who difference no but compare any baby trauma you know say normal say more and just feel normal people think say oh I feel we are need to nim and a normal more advanced and but I'm telling you say we are not saying say more compared to the before see mobile phones so bad so better 15-20 years ago one person tweet the number come about 50 good team okay expect the space Oba number if you team keke.
Yeah.
Uni wife number with him. Huh? Yeah. Wife I the number unim. So also packing up a phone. I remember about 15 years ago. Yes, small say from Kranko Kumase. Oh, be unim the number, unim the address. What come you see the person.
Yeah.
And they will come back. Be no great battle number. How do you see the person?
Until you call the person crowd to be sure say oh once and you will be
say more. Yeah, we are saying I think I am more advanced. No, we are saying more because all the good things, you know.
This is serious. Oh. But yeah, generally how things are going to be for the year 2021. Wabu Boswa, be far away Middle East. One year, Yakobia. Yeah, yam refi.
Sure.
Now you share. You focus on Ghana. Now one particular area me pese they share say first media no and yem fan say entertainment industry no yem fan ka ho empempi you know end of year no prophecies ne ba e bitimi be fire ho pa na this year journalists for say for we say na ho bi be say we say obehu ana fe na dempa na kokwa na ade a ebu on so abehwe na ate afaso ebu ana nwumtini we be say na we be say na we be say omo hye san komkom na and this year 2021 the entertainment industry, the media saying a remote for us.
Yeah, in fact what I know so far in regards to normal machakeno the media in 2021 no ever receive a lot of attacks from the ordinary people. What it means is because you know now misinformation in the system is going to be more than before. You know why? Because this is number 5 and number 5 pussy freedom. So everybody wants to say something. So there will be so much misinformation in the system. As a mona magidina mukura information mankasano, there will be series of attack on the media. That I can tell you. But say individuals, I've not seen anything like that.
Okay.
And my predictions or my calculations have not shown say any person be ABC any who and BB. What I've seen something that have to do with Joe Biden, the health. According to forecast, there will be one planet in his star. And normally it's here the ill health and then like difficulties. So I know that my said. Say one health year based on the cancellation of the star now. My year US ebitimi any new president. Even though Papa Nana on our when is here. The health. Because based on the calculation no obenya
so it could be saying the health be failing no.
To the point say maybe an because of that that I saw that. But say Ghana be a man who celebrity be an I've not seen anything that to do with death. They even say the media will be faced with the difficulties because there will be so many misinformation in the system and they will receive a lot of attacks from the ordinary people. That's what I've seen.
There's this prophecy in fact that man of God a lot of people are worried because looking at where that prophecy came from among kakra prophet Salifom.
Okay.
Ono ne de NHS say your finance minister.
Okay.
Said the whole kind ono so wan hwa ne health bitimi afeli no.
Okay.
This year Emma ye bitimi lose you no. Anye bia no wo de tofa political ignore kakra na honso area honso to say.
Yeah, in fact the American personal minim ni pakro de kodia man hu ye. Ono wa enya medjuma na che.
Yeah.
And you know ebia daibi no waso. Ana ebia na ebia oni angel bi na ye adwuma no wa yi a kire no. But minim how was can no. Say Nyankopon na aka kire no. And my cast also you because bia no. And I no no mpe bi na aka kire. Nyame na eka. You know because nyame na eka bet at the end of the day no. Na obi so e can defend nyame na eka. So it's possible. I mean, like I'm saying, still say yes, witch doctors, they all can see things they said and it will see. Until maybe who be about him. I'm talking about the finance minister.
Yeah.
So whoever says say be a nipa no be free manano. I see who say crime bench no fire on information. You know, people can speculate also. At times the can be up to me just by say maker. Me name the source of his abilities and now to me kura no. But say the makano. Many of the problems Nyanko upon the car, you know, or one can send him say, and you're correct. They know. I'm telling you, say, CA, or so for
some no repeat yourself,
or so for Biana, or say, Nyanko upon the catcher, the men. Say, Nipan can be a true or son diet, the intuition, and as they be a spirit be or no more judgment, I don't have problem. Or say, Yamena kind means that I may know to I can say, whom you are who in or Nyanko upon your communication or mobile. I know, say a man of quite say on Casava, Obetimia can be a dimatem, but what send the closer to me when said the papa can in of what in America. They make a soft Biano TMCA. Men fat me boom in tia or me paying for semi. But or say Yanko Pong the catch them saying no. Ni pennies or better can be or paper, what send the closer to Papa no can grow. Ninya me ne kai be a me sondae and I be a me intuition and I be a me angels be the kai by God Almighty. You know, okay Bhagavad Gita or see Iswara Parama Krishna Sachid Ananda Vigraha Anadi Adi Govinda Sarva Karanam
Correves Kakrina for free.
Iswara Parama Krishna Sachid Ananda Vigraha Anadi Adi Govinda Sarva Karanam.
That is any crack.
Yango Pona, yes, someone no. Nekasi yet, Nenny Huetiano, and yet very easy say, Obi be a bit to make us a meaning and mere communicators are. I am possible because Yango Pom, there's nothing like impossibility. But looking at all these are so funny binum, now here they will almost say Yango Pon and I am telling you, there are different avenues and channels are omunya information free, but not the Iswara, the Almighty Supreme Being. Who is the beginning, the middle, and the end, even though he has no beginning, no middle, no end. That one who is the cause of all causes, the proprietor of everything, no, he is not the one who is directly communicating to them. It could be said through their dreams, through some kind of, to maybe through other sources, but not God Almighty. Because the person doesn't have to speak. Just by looking at them, you know that these people are in this world, but they're not part of this world. And I don't see such people around. You know, and you're very easy like that, you know.
I was talking to I don't 106.3 FM. Nah, and come on, nah, your fa. You inform briefly now. Your proud sponsors, no. You inform Masada Momnafi, your babaka, your babeshe. It's the same cry, no. So far, the attitude now for 2021. A day and I yenye. Just say never bet me a co year my even though the year might not be as we expect it to be, but I can't be ho a foot will be ho and a more to be why you two are a bet me a buana say any man co ye crana will be exempted and na ye banya babe share no sisia. Your first dama Bell Beverages and they walk off for the abibum your friend Bell Chapman. And festive season no party be able to be able to be a PMUS yes because I know the new party sensation in town available in 330 and then 500 ml bottles now a special cocktail pa lime womb, black currant womb, lemon womb, kamana vitamins and so chapo, but a very low in sugar, not just a bois power pum de one seminal. 1 pack the only 16 bottles price also at the cool. Obenya biato shops and stores and supermarkets how do ni na emodo pa no afre Bell Beverages on 055 538 5800 and after 055 538 5900. Bell Chapman for life's happy moment. And when you today do your farmer Dominion herbal powder. About your way a dry a boa mount me build a strong immune system. I bring na on iodine day. A sign boa and normalize the blood pressure. War heart or kidney related problem biansono. A boa a delay with it pa. Ubuad or yajumaki to a beer na or tibre pa. De biana honam ya or spiny. A mutimit to 2 hours. Stroke diabetes no. Ebomodia e pampam no ifi wasetene mu obenya bi ato wo me tonton habanu wo me afana baby a dodo pa no hwehwe Angel Dominion Herbal Center sha kwan omo won kokko nyesa afre 0543 158 195 and our fee 020 429 6449. Now to do be on Yebiano Yabema on Sacra. Dominion of our powder, your number one immune booster. I first did you on Yemfa Emma Food Lovers Special Fragrance Rice. We a more dewa kwan strong koso. Now all the prepare rice meal biana. A ko ye kama pa. And winning your usual or regular rice no name a Food Lovers Special Fragrance Rice. I just say it's just one new 2 years from man for now bana be tasting so items and pa. A day ye kama pa. Tibomodia PBH kwan if ye market baby I me obia. Or say some na efili. Ye don't want say omukwe mu na offend kan wo dwumedi so yetimi e de ebre wo. And then you know Osha Brena baby edu no ensenka yeti asem we de betu honfo. And now somewhere de betu honfo ni na jana de be mayem. Na said the watetete 2021 afi mu nsem binom said de ebesi akwa afa no. An utu ahweyi esese wo ye akwankyere bi wo mo ne ade a ni nyina no ode aman na ye de asori so. Jana enti say yenhwe yatete nsem na
yeah.
Na ebi o hwa not so pleasant because said na make earlier no asofo na dikan e de omo stickers about that man for the abobo mo ka chikura. Oh, my year of goodness, my year of double success, my year of what ababebri ene so yi ene am betimi apiapia afi mu so na aye no bibia owe e den ena timamufo to say eno ye betimi aye so that even though the year might not be as good as we expect it to be, but you bet me afam triumphantly na bibia akoye amaye.
Yeah, no correct. In fact, first thing they say obibia no ebebo mpae. E ka say mpae boy what means they say uhu say wonye biase nyina tumi wura. Na obi ewo anim o so sen ewo ahoden mu. And you know you should seek the person's guidance. Until you be out in Yamsumudia, the best thing. We Christian, we Cremono, we Hindu, we Buddhist, whatever prayer all the time, you go ahead and do it. Secondly, Nam said this year, standing for freedom and change, make it so one can make good use of your freedom.
Okay.
Because the urge to be free, not to listen to people, not to be restricted, or not to follow rules and regulations, is very high because of the sense of the freedom. Until you be very careful. Say, and I won't be able to be ano. Ube analyze it when we say what will be the repercussions of that activity. And I'm on tuna wutuno. And I'm somebody can't have been who you into. And I'm going to ya dear little bit. No, yes, sir. People will go out thinking of freedom. Ombe ya dear and for Munkonkosi. The empire bo. I told you, say 2021 no ain't so bad. May kind will be coming to us, a man of little faith, please. The word of God is alive. Put yourself on it than stars. Because when you say stars, you go on aye. So when you say you go on aye stars, na go be say weather forecast in so better watch na. Like you say you go on stars, no boy any case in so better watch na. So you go on nyansa or the man say fan so many say you should nyansa the with him. Do I say a come the wa men go for bo and show wanum. The comment was in Yanko Mejudi, Makofa Bontime Mea, Wajimi. Yanko Ponyan or the amount who make a good use of it, a Yamsono.
Yeah. So
the stars were created by God. And then Yanko Pocan actually said, way, say the tear. Anything that Semen Gonko no poison, no poison a boo. Kaya by Uncle Jenim Sememi Christian into Mimu, a Becumo. Till one could not care anymore. I can say Yanko Ponyans on the Mauno, who is Suni. Share a foot of a microphone and say, Bompaye, you're very careful. And I'm moving out to an watch on see this year, the edge of freedom and change is so high. But what is a bit meditated in Mrebiso? Or Mrebias would this be and would this were about Buama 2021, not Timiakusu Yamon. But more California, Mamika Bibi, on the 25th of November.
25th November.
25th of November, I had this year. More California, as I'm making.
Okay.
According to 25th November, Mercury will reach Sagittarius on that day. On that 25th, no
African, put it down for me.
There's a possibility of a very serious and great earthquake in California because these two planets, will aspect and it's negative and a create natural disaster.
November 25.
I have happened around California and that area, right somewhere.
Hey,
time you but the stars saying that.
Jana, we are But let me ask you this question. Anya bia sa nneɛma wei no mu nyinaa and this is the style we say to say ne besi na when we this number this that no. What will make sa nneɛma wei na not come true? Say bia another force be something might happen and it will cancel sa nneɛma wei na. Maybe some powers that be.
It's true.
Maybe some cosmic power be.
It's possible. It's God Almighty doesn't operate based on rules and regulations. Or no, on what the mirror year so you can do anything anytime. But you see, Obi Biana would do a cashew. I want to could say a cashew, no. I am from no.
Yeah.
We can tell that person say, who cashew bears 200 acres. In the next 5 years, and you can become a millionaire. There must be a reason of you saying that. Because we say, well, the cashew, no, the way I put your bunch, no. Say, the next 5 years, obey a millionaire. So the stars, no, actually say, when busy. The Yanko Pong Kasangazo may can be a gua, it will happen. Because Yanko Pong no. Okay? Yaman say, in swan to the whole year. Any sane person can tell you, say, a combat to me about because Unions was there, Ubedianoma.
Yeah.
And in terms of it means a combat to me about. So when the stars are positioned this way, they own a canoe, a BC, unless in Yamiankasa, a penocas or Beketil, yes, idea, these things will happen. Nemoma Heye, and the Empire Bona, and more able to know a bit to me a guide. For instance, me as a person, the whole year, no, because me assume me date of birth, me dear woman, they told me. So when your chart out the be created, who created your chart with your name and your date of birth? A bachelor said because of the that you Bosome Cro, I feel chronic time, chronic near the mountain. The cancellation of the stars and when as we expected. So me as I'm to be. I have many bad things in my stars as well. I have to sit down and deal with them. Me I'm not to because
so you mean the day you were born,
the day you were me 30th December 19 something, I'm not saying that.
Yeah.
And I didn't told me. So me draw chart
and calculating in numbers. This year and shut down wow.
There are few things that means that deal with and yet. So now no, I will sit down and see and how I will work like in my star no. Actually my timer I will have an accident. I am not supposed to say this, but I'm saying this. Driving, so that time, bear within 14 days. So me do that time now. You know what I will do? I will make sure I don't go out. I'm a specialist. You know, the star is telling me within this period it is not safe for you to drive. Me challenge yes, I sit home, I do more studies, so that time we are.
Me pacho yena. Me dear mamina. Me so says Ada no so a ene obeti ofie kwazu papa me shede mu
my mama another ba ku bia o say the forecast no e kire ne period bi enu kwan say o drive no atwanya ma aka 3 days to the time na so there o see o 2 car or do US or say adia ne car ne here but unfortunately nothing happens to her.
Wow.
See, don't play with the stars. Oh, don't play with them.
Yeah,
because
I'm
going to get the whole thing for you. Everything from now to the end of the year. Before I leave, I'll send it to you right away.
Okay.
And I'll go through Obe hum bibia about Juma Wuye. Obi Oha. There's a lady be. Another say the forecast no. Also actually Juma basis 5 years Juma yet. But last year the woman said at the end of the year. Obenya Juma through a friend. She sent me a message yesterday. Said, Jana, I was not expecting it. Exactly as we entered December. Through a friend, I have gotten a job by pay. I can't even believe it.
Wow.
So the attorney said, nature knows you. Before I seen nature knows. So those who have access to those information, why don't you guide yourself? For me, I don't take money for doing this. I do it for free of charge. Because say guide now to move. I
request to number there 1,000 you.
In fact, Obi Biana or payment number. The best thing is that you go on Facebook, search for transformations.
Don't let him leave here, and then you'll be calling me. Me pon my pon. Now we be Jana. Papa be what titi me san am so. opani me ne kasa no also de mo hwehwe na kira kwan Facebook no so me ka so je wo de wo number tinam se there be etimpam cho muntie de oka no na monye ne saa na mo mama so munwem
me say on say nipa wo me so no dos so the best thing is to follow me on Facebook.
Okay.
Oko ha me office number ha person make us you can contact them on bet you the best time to call me and I time come to me send the number say serious me am free. So you search on Facebook transformations. Obo say your logo no I mean picture na wo your transformation no logo.
Okay.
Just like the page. I am here studies. Yes, me this year me for about 70,000 people are registered members.
Wow.
May you be a focus the amano. Actually, between a month or two, we are now obi be for be said them here. I will do it for them. So you follow me on Facebook, become a member there. I know some of my colleagues are omoye charge Jessica. They give $500. You won't believe it.
Wow.
Just for your focus. But how detailed am I? They don't even do that. But I do it free of charge. I don't take kobo from anybody. Free.
What's the motivation?
The motivation is when you help people, nature helps you.
Oh, okay.
Because so let me help people. Let me give to ultimate guide who na bibi ekoya or chinebu shiamia. You can even say Jana. Obi ba me ho say Jana, I'm a changed person because of you, and I feel happy. You know, I do this free of charge. I don't take a kobo from anybody. Say me here the forecast for the year. Say be ya obi to me guide who. Na emom say who say bia Junction highway enko ye we be ko ye we just ya no one can say what to for. And there are some few of them be me who are critical. I tell them say if you have any person who does spiritual things, you can approach the person for guidance. And they help the be of for so also for be can be say Bible be that kind of thing. Guide yourself. Time be any good, do not stay home. You be guide yourself and you become very happy. So follow me on Facebook Transformation. Oko YouTube so your transformation era. All my videos are there. Ubit me, follow me, and then you get much information about yourself. Okay. Thank you so much.
All right. Jana enso beda wase pa say one ya shafia say we na the maiden edition of the show for the year 2021. Wow. Yes.
And I'm your first person.
And I'm the first guest our boss we no share.
Yes.
Yes.